My name is Michael Mulunga. I'm a 24-year-old young social entrepreneur from the Republic of Namibia. I was born and raised in this beautiful capital city, Windhoek. And Windhoek basically is the capital city of Namibia. It has around about 366,000 people. And the whole entire country has about 2.3 million people. So we are a very, very small country, but very, very large in size. The whole entire country has about 825,000 square kilometers. That makes it around about 3 people per square meter. So basically, I grew up in an informal settlement which is called Tutura. We brought up by my father and mother, and staying with my siblings, 5 brothers and 4 sisters. And basically, my father passed on when I was still a young boy, when I was still 7 years old. So I was basically brought up by my mother, a single parent, and having to take care of about 8 children. When I was a young boy, I was always basically fascinated about making friends, about making a difference in my community. And so when I was in grade 10 in upper high school, I joined the organization called the Young Achievers Empowerment Project. Basically, it's an organization that inspires and motivates young people to become responsible citizens in their community. And that's where I really saw my leadership skills that I realized that I was a leader. Through the organization, I was able to partake in different activities that involved around young people, attending workshops, getting skills. But the most important thing was that I realized the organization helped me in shaping what career path I wanted to follow. My vision has always been to become an entrepreneur, but also to make a difference in the lives of other young people. So through this organization, I was able to develop my leadership skills. I was able to participate in a lot of activities with the young people. I was able to learn quite a lot from the different conferences that I've attended in the past. And basically also, which is the main biggest thing, making a difference in my community. So the organization brings young people together between the ages of 15 to 25 to come and discuss issues and matters that are facing the young people, and as young people to try and see how we're going to solve these challenges collectively. But the main biggest important thing is we want to make sure that 100% of the young people that undergo through our program make it to tertiary education, and those that are in tertiary education eventually graduate. When I joined the organization, I was in my 11th grade, and I stayed until my 12th grade. So when I finished my 12th grade, I wanted to do food science and technology, but however that did not work out. Ended up doing business administration. That was back in 2008. My biggest passion right now is to work with young people in my country. I've also worked on a project with young people in a rural area that is 70 kilometers from the capital city. And basically what we did with these young people was to train them in or give them skills in poultry production and health, and they were able to generate an income for themselves. I've also been able to participate in so many other activities with the young people, going on educational tours, because Namibia has quite beautiful nature, and many of the times you find that young people are just in the city and they hardly go out to go and explore their country. So with our organization, we're able to organize some trips for our young people to go and basically look at the beauty of their country. Community projects, because it's quite exciting and gives one that self-fulfillment of making a difference in your community. And I believe as a young person, there are also quite a lot of opportunities that young people can grab with both hands. That is one of the principles and philosophies that I live by, that we live in a world of endless opportunities, and young people have to grab these opportunities with both hands. I like one of our facilitators who once told me that never make poverty as an excuse not to make it in life, So basically, you should every day you should strive to be the best in what you do. And this is basically what I do with my life. If I see an opportunity, I grab it with both hands. With this, I've been able to participate in various international conferences. To mention a few, participating in President Barack Obama's Forum with Young African Leaders, and as well participating in the Ubuntu International Youth Awards, just to mention a few, because getting these opportunities means that you're exposed to the world outside your country. As a young person, you are able to go to these international platforms and engage with your fellow young people from different countries, get to learn from each other, and they get to learn from you as well. Currently, I work with the National Youth Council of Namibia, basically as the volunteer grants administrator. It's a new program that we have recently started with the National Youth Council that is going to provide grants to youth organizations to basically be able to fund projects and activities that they are doing. So basically what I'm doing is coordinating this whole entire program. But however, in my spare time, I'm still heavily involved with my youth organization, the Young Achievers Empowerment Project, and also involved with the small company that we started, which is called Kasi Adventures. And Kasi Adventures basically is an initiative started by the Young Achievers Empowerment Project members as a means of sustaining themselves, because we've realized that Namibia has been rated as one of the middle-income countries and many donors have pulled out. So it has become very, very difficult, especially for youth organizations, to access funding to carry out their projects. So as part of sustaining ourselves, we sat down as young people and we brainstormed on what income-generating projects we can start. At the time, we were taking international students from the Setup Global Education on township tours, basically because us young people come from the township and know the township better. So we're offering this service to this organization. And whilst this we're brainstorming about what income generating project we need to start, we realized that actually what we're already doing was a great initiative. We could basically commercialize it and get funding for that to sustain our organization. So we decided to register our company. We hence named it Kasi Adventures. Basically the word Kasi means the neighborhood. So it's an adventure in the neighborhood. And 20 of our young people were trained as tour guides by Wilderness Safaris. Wilderness Safaris basically is one of the big tour guide companies that provide services in the tourism industry. And they trained 20 of our young people. We got a small grant from the GFK Trust Fund, which is based in the US, to basically buy the materials that we needed to launch our company. This included pamphlets. This included also the uniform for the tour guides and all other materials that we needed to launch the company. And around about 5 to 6 months later, after we had registered the company, we eventually launched it. Now currently we are providing services of taking tourists on township tours. The business is going quite good, however it's very, very slow because we are still a small organization. And one of the challenges that we are being faced with as an income generating project is access to a vehicle, because we currently do not have a vehicle. We only operate with taxis, which is sometimes also not convenient for international tourists. But however, those that are adventurous will enjoy such a service.